To our coverage now of the aftermath of Tropical Storm Ida, residents in sections of Clarendon are still underwater as a result of heavy rains brought on by the storm. But as you'll hear in this report, residents in Tollgate in particular are blaming construction along the highway for flooding they experienced.
This is not the way one would want to send off their loved one. But the showers brought on by Tropical Storm Ida would not stop these pallbearers in Milk River, Clarendon. Over in Halls Hall, this was the situation. Hours after Member of Parliament Pernell Charles Jr. visited the community.
We just try to secure life now. Yeah, we can't save nothing more in our house.
Streets flooded and houses underwater. Those who did not make it out tried to secure what they could. In Tollgate, Clarendon, similar scenes, except residents here are livid.
The water gushed through my room as if you turn on a river in there. I came out of my room. I went out of my room the other night just to save my life.
I'm too surprised at my age. This have never, ever been happened.
They claim construction on the north-south highway contributed significantly to the recent flooding.
We welcome the project and we welcome development, but we don't welcome this that they are doing. Just to make they're making the road, and before they make a temporary drain for just to lead away the water then. Just to lead away the water because the water wants to go somewhere, but there is nowhere for the water to go.
Member of Parliament for South East Clarendon Lothan Cousins visited the affected areas.
We understand the importance of the highway to the country of Jamaica, but the highway cannot be constructed to the detriment of the people. If we're going to do a project, we must ensure that there's maturity, there's consultation, that persons are involved in the decision-making process, that the engineers do a proper assessment of the area to ensure that there's proper, adequate drainage in place for the water to run off.
But while some communities in Clarendon remain underwater and residents are waiting for the water to recede to assess the damage, those in Tollgate are threatening action.
Me as a woman, all 66-year-old, me are going to join with them boy and we're going to get pickaxe and fork and pull the road.
Prince Moore, TVJ News.